see those cars in your blind spot with Maxi View Mirror. The Maxi View Mirror is fully adjustable. The Maxi View Mirror is easy to apply, also easy to adjust. You cannot see the van with your factory installed mirror, but you can see the van in the Maxi View Mirror. You are unable to see the car in the factory installed mirror, but you can see the car in the Maxi View Mirror. Can you see the cyclist in the factory installed mirror? No, you can only him in the Maxi View Mirror. Maxi View Blind Spot Mirror expands your field of vision.